So hello guys, how are you? I'm glad to see you here once again on my YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So guys, today as always I'm going to share with you one more cool strategy for the binary options. However, today we don't have a very simple video. This video is continuation to the previous one when we started trading Bollinger Indicator, and I showed you how to earn $8,000 from just $100, guys. Yes, and today we will continue this trading. We will upgrade this $8,000 to something very big, and you will see this and I will show you how to do this. So guys, if you want to trade as me and to have the same amount of money, just subscribe to my Telegram channel, and for this you just need to open description, click on the button, click on the link to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, write me private messages, and here you will become a member of my fucking dream team, and here you will get daily trading signals, daily trading sessions with me, and daily analytics. So guys, this is for free and this will help you to get money. So now let's stop talking and let's proceed to our work. Yeah. Okay. So guys, what do we have here? As I told you, this is continuation to our last video. Here we had $8,000. Now we continue this. We have invested right now $3,000 in this deal, and yes, correct. Now we are trading Audi CAD currency pair. We use only short time here to just 30 seconds, and as always we will try to make big investments. We will try to invest the whole deposit in each investment, so everything will depend on the market situation. So this trade was profitable. Once again, our current deposit now is $10,000. Now we're wasting $5,000 in the same currency pair because trend is continuing. The trend is upgoing. We are currently in the upgoing channel. $5,000 are invested. Let's see what it will bring to us next. Okay, $5,000, we did it. Let's wait a little bit. Okay guys, $5,000, amazing. Let's continue. We have opened Audi GPI currency pair. Now let's open Audi CHF. Let's see. So guys, here we can see the end of downgoing trend. The situation is reversing according to the chart, and now I can see the beginning of the upgoing trend. That's why we need to open buy position here. We have invested $4,000. $4,000 here. $4,000 invested. Let's see. Perfect. 18,000, amazing. Really good, really good. So guys, here once again, as I told you, the situation is reversing. We observe the beginning of the upgoing trend. That's why the first trade proved to us that we can see this upgoing trend, and now we are continuing our trades in the same direction. We have invested now $7,000 here. 7,000. Amazing. Super. So here guys. Okay, here we can see upgoing channel without any other difficulties, and we clearly understand that we need to open buy position. We have invested $6,000 here. 6,000 guys in the buy position. Everything is very simple. Perfect. We should continue. 29,000, around $30,000 in our account. Okay guys, so here I decided to open buy position because, as you can see, the price has reached a strong level of support. The first hit wasn't successful, the price went up after this. Now the price is going to go up according to the freshly forming upgoing channel. Okay, fine, that's not profitable. Okay, let's do this once again. Let's invest $12,000 because this situation is very clear. There is no other way except the price will go up. So in such situation, you should not panic. If one trade wasn't successful, you just need to be focused and you need to understand what you're going to do. You need to always be sure in your actions, otherwise you will fail. For example, I'm sure that in what I'm doing, and yes, this brings money to me. Okay guys, fantastic, $33,000 in our account, guys. That's amazing. We started today with only $8,000. Now we have 33,000. Yesterday when I did my last video, I started with just only $100. $100 turned into 8,000. 8,000 today turned into $33,000. This is absolutely true. This is absolutely real. You can do the same. Just be with me. Everything you need to trade as me is to subscribe to my Telegram channel, write me in private messages. I will give you all recommendations. I will work with you. I will teach you. We will work together and trade together during my daily trading online sessions without any fraud. This is absolutely free. You don't need to pay me anything. I just want to really help you, and together we will become millionaires. I am millionaire already. I will do the same with you. This is my hobby. This is my love. So guys, don't hesitate to do this. Don't lose your chance. Don't lose the opportunity. Check the description to this video, click on the link to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, write me messages, and we will work together. You will become a member of my dream team. So guys, thank you a lot for your attention. Have a nice and successful day, and bye bye.